My name is Shadin Rafia, studying ninth standard in TRA High School. Vedic Mathematics. Vedic mathematics is the collection of techniques and sutras to solve mathematical arithmetic in easy and faster way. It consists of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras, which can be used for problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, conics. Vedic mathematics is the system of mathematics which was discovered by Indian mathematician Jagatguru Sri Bharat Krishna Tirthaji in the period between AD 1911 to 1918 and published his findings in a Vedic mathematics book. Sri Bharat Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj was born in March 1884 in the Puri village of Orissa state. He was very good in subjects like mathematics, science, humanities, and was excellent in Sanskrit language. Veda is a Sanskrit word means knowledge. Using regular mathematical steps, solving problems sometimes are complex and time consuming. But using Vedic mathematics, general techniques and specific techniques, numerical calculations can be done very fast. 1957, he wrote introductory volume of 16 sutras which was called as Vedic mathematics and planned to write other sutras later. Vedic mathematics can definitely solve mathematical numerical calculations in faster way. Some Vedic math scholars mentioned that using Vedic math tricks, you can do calculations 10 to 15 times faster than our usual methods. I agree this to some extent because some methods in Vedic mathematics are really very fast. But some of these methods are independent on specific numbers which are to be calculated. They are called specific methods. Vedic maths is more than 1700 percentage times faster than normal math. This makes it the world's fastest. Eradicates fear of math completely. Vedic math is a fun-filled way to do math and raises interest in your child. Sharpens your mind, increases mental agility and intelligence, increases your speed and accuracy. Become a mental calculator yourself. Improves memory and boosts self-confidence, cultivates an interest in numbers, develops your left and right side of your brain, hence using intuition and innovation. It has been noted that geniuses have been using the right side of the brain to achieve exceptional results. Addition is one of the most basic operation of Vedic mathematics. It states that find out the numbers which is closest to tens multiplied because it is easier to add those numbers. Suppose we have to add 27 and 98. So the Vedic maths tells us to add 30 and 100 which is 130 and then subtract. For example, the deficiency from 130, so the result will be 125. Vedic maths just showcases a process to do things faster. These tricks can do wonders only if used properly after imbibing a proper learning experience. Practice makes a man perfect, but learning makes a man capable. Therefore, make Vedic maths a habit only after understanding it. Thank you.